Today's video is on managing access levels for API tokens in Okta. Let's dive in. First, sign into Okta with your Super Administrator account. Head over to Directory, then People, and click on Add Person. Here, you'll create a new account. Let's call it New Admin User. Now, let's give New Admin User Super Administrator rights. Go to Security, then Administrator, and choose Admins. Here, click Add Administrator. Where is Select Admin? Search for the newly created user, New Admin User. For the role, select Super Administrator, and then press Save Changes. Now we can see that New Admin User is assigned as Super Administrator. Proceed and sign out and log in as New Admin User. Navigate to Security, then select API. Then Tokens, and click on Create Token. Name the token and then press Create Token. Copy the token value. Remember to keep this key safe. It's important. Switch back to your original Super Administrator account. Go back to Security, then Administrators. Here, click on Admins. Select the New Admin User and choose Edit Individual Assignments. Here, you can adjust the privileges. Let's set it to Organization Administrator. Don't forget to save your changes. Finally, verify the changes. Navigate to Security, then select API. Here, click on Tokens. Check that the token's permission now reflects Org Admin. And that's it. You've successfully managed the access level for an API token in Okta. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.